Hey guys, it's Eric eMoney, and I wanted to review this trade from Wednesday, August 20th. Okay, this is the Chinese HSBC flash manufacturing PMI, and it's actually probably one of my top 5 favorite reports. And let's go ahead and review how I traded this. Okay, so here I am. I'm logging into my VPS on my trade host. Okay, and I'm putting in the settings that Jay recommended in the HIRA. Okay, so you could go back to the beginning of this video, and these are the same settings from the high impact report alert. And I'm just trading this with 2 contracts. Okay, so if you're a new member, a lot of people are still on sim. You're going live, 1 or 2 contracts. That should be something that you can relate to. Okay, so here I am trading 2 contracts, and we have 10 seconds before the news. So here's my setup. Okay, just like in the bootcamp video, I have my strategies tab open just in case I want to disable, but everything looks okay. Okay, then we get filled over here. Okay, so what do? I'm actually listening to the Bloomberg feed, and I see the Forex Factory numbers in just a second. And once I see those numbers come out, I see that it actually was a nice deviation. So what do? I quickly move my profit target up. I see that there's I believe there was a resistance line just below there, and then I just very calmly I monitor the trade, and because I see that red number and because I see that there's a nice deviation there, that's what gives me confidence to kind of just leave my stop in place, because I'm pretty confident that it's going to continue going downward. Okay, and you could look in the members area, something that I really want to bring your attention to. Take a look and you could see the HSBC flash manufacturing, and if you review it, you know that it follows this pattern when there is a negative deviation. So I leave my buy limit there, okay, very confidently. And then once I see it kind of, in a couple of minutes, there you go. You see the R3 there? So my buy, I just moved my profit target just a tick or two above the profit target. And in the high impact report alert, Jay mentions that usually it reaches its peak in 2 to 3 minutes here. So once I see it starting to kind of just hover around in this area, that's when I feel confident to move my buy down, my stop down, excuse me. And this way, at the very least, I'm going to lock in, at least a couple ticks of profit. And I just leave my profit target confidently. And you're going to see I'm going to exit out of the trade with 5 ticks in profit. And right over here, I get out of the trade with 5 ticks on 2 contracts. It's $125. And listen right now to the Bloomberg feed right now.
Purchasing Managers Index for August coming in at 50.3. We were looking at estimates of 51.5, and that's below the figure of 51.7 that we had in July.
So isn't that kind of funny? So we actually, we were already out of the trade before Bloomberg TV already announced the news. So with that, I just wanted to, again, just share with you a really nice trade. Again, this is the HSB flash manufacturing, and the chat room right now, it's the summertime, so a lot of traders are traveling around the world, vacationing. So I just want to encourage everyone. September's coming in just 2 weeks, so I'm really want to encourage everyone to come back into the chat room. And with that, just a great trade that I want to share with you. And you saw here how tame and how there didn't move, no sharp movement, just a nice easy trade to capture 5 ticks very easily.